vlog series. In the last video, I showed you guys the kitchen because we're really just taking one room at a time, and our first main priority was the kitchen just because we had so many like new appliances and all that for the kitchen. Now, instead of moving to another room, we're like, we have to get furniture. Like, we have zero furniture, no nightstands, no dresser, no dining room table, nothing. That is like our big priority right now, is to get that. Even more of a priority than furniture is a washer and dryer. We have like a whole big box of just like dirty clothes. We've just been picking out clothes out of our boxes in the bedroom. This is what I'm talking about, living out of our boxes. I just grab a t-shirt, sweatpants, and a sweatshirt from here to wear, and then once I'm done, I'll come in here and yeah, these are our dirty clothes. This is why the washer and dryer is our #1 priority today, because so much dirty clothes, and I think there's even more in our bedroom. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. I really hope you're liking this series so far. I know I've only posted like one video. There's Meowsy. So anyways, I am about to get ready and head out and start shopping. Before I head out the door, I wanted to share this mascara. It's the Sky High mascara. A few of you guys shared it with me, like, I don't know, whenever I had lash extensions. But now that your girl is a natural lash, I wanted to try it out, and oh my gosh, I love it. It's so good. It's very, I don't know, like, you can tell. You can tell there's some volume, and especially for somebody that's had lash extensions for a year and a half, this definitely gets my approval. I'm at my first stop. It is FMO. It's like furniture something outlet. Fingers crossed we find some stuff. I'm already looking through the window and I see a few things, so I'm hoping we can find something. Let's go inside. Okay, I found this guy. Still a little too farmhousey for me, but she has potential. They have a lot of options. It's just a lot of farmhousey stuff, and it's just not really our style. They had so many options, and if you are like farmhouse, if that's like your style, oh my gosh. I mean, I saw my mom's dining room table in there, chairs, like a lot of their stuff is from Ashley. So if you love Ashley stuff, which our couch is from Ashley, that place is definitely like really good. And pretty much I think it's all like brand new. It's just like the floor model, so like you're getting like brand new stuff for like good prices. I found like one rug that I liked, and then one like little table, but pretty much everything was like farmhousey, and trying to not really do farmhousey, more like modern and all that. So hopefully they'll have like more stuff in the next few days or something, but it didn't have the best luck. All right, we are now at a new location. I'm feeling confident. Fingers crossed, you guys. Fingers crossed. Wish me good luck. So I think I like these little side tables, but I also really like some from Target, so I don't know. I don't know. Alright, I found this place. It looks a little scary, but let's not, you know, knock it. Is cute. I was not expecting such good finds in there, but they don't have like any sets. I don't know how to explain it. They just only have like pieces right now, and everything would be like 6 months to get in. So unfortunately I did not get anything there, but they had definitely a lot more modern pieces than any of the other stores. That was exciting to see, but just sad that they didn't have any sets. I'm so sad. But going to the next place, it's literally 0.7 miles away. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm at the yard sale store, and the first thing I see is this. Really cute. literally no luck. I went to maybe 5 more stores and I didn't vlog. 0 luck. I did find a few things, but I'm like, oh, I wasn't obsessed with it, or maybe it was just like too expensive. Now we're at Target, probably where I should have started off. I already know what end tables and everything I want. Let's go do it.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't...
Look at that. All clean, ready for our washer and dryer on Friday. Heading into Lowe's. I've given up on furniture shopping and we're going back to washer and dryer shopping now. Been looking at washer and dryers for the past hour, and this is the one I'm going with. It has no agitator, which didn't even know what that was until a few minutes ago, but it's apparently good for like comforters and stuff. And then this is our dryer. I feel like these top loaders are like in trend again or something, because like all of these are top loaders besides this little section right here. Now we are treating ourselves to some cookies, and I'm about to show you guys how to make the best cookies. I don't really like to share my secrets, but we'll do it with you guys. Cut it in 2s, and it just makes the cutest little mini cookies, and they're crisp on the outside, gooey on the inside. You're welcome. And just like that, they're done. When you half them, I recommend doing about 8, really 9 minutes is about the perfect time. Even though I do not have any luck. What?
I'm gonna eat all of those myself.
Oh my god. Anyways, even though I didn't have good luck with the furniture, we ended on a positive note. I got the washer and dryer, got all the boxes taken out, got some stuff for our room, the bath mat, and now eating cookies.
Yummy! Yummy! Yummy!
Oh, whoops. I wanted to show you guys what I got at Target. I don't think I showed you. First off is this. Let me flip it around and show you guys. All right, it's just 4 little signs. I found it in the dollar section. I'm gonna put it obviously in our laundry room. Wash, dry, fold, and repeat. And yeah, all of them were literally $5. Found like this bath mat. And then I also just got some pillows to go in these like little shams that match our comforter. Also, the comforter is from Target as well. I didn't get it today. I got it whenever we moved in. Also, this like little quilted, or not quilted, but knitted blanket is from Target. Also got it a few days ago. This basket was only $25, and I just think it looks so like modern, luxurious. Oh, I forgot one thing. I got this toilet brush holder. It just looked really like aesthetically pleasing, and that's pretty much it from Target. I got like now some food and some other things that are boring, but tomorrow I think we're gonna sleep in because Jake has a doctor's appointment. But after that, I don't really know. Maybe go furniture shopping again, or maybe just look online. I'm starting to not be very hopeful, but we'll see.